Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a very quick 5-minute meditation and I will go through the skill body scan. It's a very quick skill to help you rejuvenate yourself and to recharge during the midday. Let's begin.
Let's start today's meditation by adjusting your body, sitting where you are or laying down on your back. Slow down your breathing. And while I guide you to scan and notice your body from the top of your head to your toes, make sure you focus on your breath if you drift away. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a deep breath out. Feel the temperature of the air. Relax your eyebrows and your forehead. Relax your eyes. Relax your mouth. And feel the muscles around your mouth. Perhaps you can feel a slight tingly feeling. And bring your awareness down your neck to your shoulders. Notice if that area is tensed. Which part of it is relaxed? Don't change it, just notice. And slowly breathe in from your shoulder down to your arms, to the wrist and your fingers. Feel that area of your hand. Feel the skin where your hand touches your knee. And relax your whole arm. And breathe in through your heart. Take time to notice how you feel today. And how your body feels today. Gently place your palms in front of your tummy. Feel the expansion of your lungs when you breathe in, and the movement when you breathe out. Gently feel your legs to your toes. And relax your whole legs. Let's bring your palms to your heart. And relax your whole body. Notice how you feel now. And take a deep breath in through your nose. And slowly breathe out. Gently rub your palms, place them in front of your eyes, and gently open your eyes.
That's the end of the meditation. I hope you have a relaxing rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.